reporting that IG Punjab Imam Ghani has appointed SSP Patrol Shujat Ali Rana as DG Khan as SSP Legal. SS Shujat Ali Rana was posted from 34 and 23 were additional charge of department. Employees did not get any relief in their deployment. In addition to this, the SSP also kept personal recommendation staff in the office. A few employees who did not even know the alphabets were hired. Shujat Ali Rana was an honest professional and rich in other abilities. The service were also conducted in office and other places. Patrolling turned the police into a homeless department. Employees were also unhappy and his contacts with the journalistics community were zero. He ignored the media in his deployment and appointed a PRO to those who were unfamiliar with the alphabet of journalism. Now see who IG Punjab Imam Ghani chooses for the homeless patrolling police. Proof of his corruption is taking huge amount of money. Remote exchange are common when the offering are not received. Numerous check posts will read Nafi and Thanksgiving on Shujat Rana chains. 2 days later, in the edition of the research report, Daily Morning News will be the only officer who transfer were welcomed.